car though.
Buckle your pants, buckle your pants, buckle your pants. God damn it.
Your laps turnaround time, 0.36.
At a record pace. Oh, take the inside.
Yeah, dude.
Take the inside. Oh, never mind. Oh no, I flipped. I flipped over. Anyways. I am the Cummings. Hello?
Trying to do that, but it worked.
Anchor of light.
Speed racer.
Speed racer, go speed racer. Oh.
Oh, damn it.
Guardian down.
Get that car, hit that corner a little too aggressively. Oh.
God damn it. Oh, I can't spawn a vehicle. Oh, I guess we can't spawn vehicles in this location.
Someone's trying to establish contact. Could be the speaker.
Wait, is there a golden chest here?
Oh, yes there is.
Oh.
Let's get out in the open. I'll have a better chance of locking this signal.
Oh yeah, let's get out into the open. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, cutscene.
Cutscene! Forgot about this.
I don't remember this. Wait, I never played this mission. Oh ho ho ho. Hello? I'm a unicorn.
Oh, cheek.
You're interesting.
Yeah, fair.
Not entirely interesting, but you have promise.
Your accent, though.
I'm interesting, apparently.
Who is that?
I don't know. I'm losing the signal.
Losing the signal. Come on,
Guardian,
dude.
I know what you're about to do. It's
Can't
brave,
you, like, fly?
but there are enemies out here you would not believe.
Out where?
Out where?
Go down and face the hive. And if you
Face the
live,
hive?
come find me.
Excuse me, so what she's saying is,
You mean...
if you're
Oh, no.
stupid enough and strong enough,
Signal dropped.
come
I got some
touch me.
broken coordinates. Venus, northern
Venus?
hemisphere. Ishtar region.
Venus?
Venus!
Viva
Las Venus. Viva Las
We
Venus.
go down.
Venus.
Aviva! Aviva! Las Venus! That's great. That's amazing.
Very
I can't believe we just had like a moment right there.
Yeah,
Where's the
dude.
golden chest, friend? Show it to me. Whoa! What is that?
That's an ogre.
Oh god!
Don't get in the swamp.
Oh god. I didn't know Shrek was part of this game. Oh, why didn't you tell me?
It's like Shrek's ugly stepbrother.
I mean, don't tell me. I actually want to find these out I want to find these out. Next time, don't tell me. I'm just kidding. Don't tell me anything. Don't spoil. No spoilers. No spoilers, please. Please, no spoilers. What does it mean when they glow red like that, though?
I don't even know, like... That's scary, though. Look, look, OP now. Look how he's following us.
I killed them. Don't worry. But, okay. Where's the golden chest, friend?
Oh! It's further down.
Oh.
I will let you know when we get there.
Taking my kill.
Alright, follow me.
Wait! Enemies!
What?
There's enemies. Oh! There's a wall.
There's the enemy.
I want to kill things. I want to kill the thingies. I want
Let's go kill the thing.
Go get the berry. Oh, hello.
Get the berry.
You get the berry.
So my turn, you get the berry.
No, you get the berry. It's easy for you.
We'll get the berry.
Oh, you just exploded.
I got the berry. Alright, Follow me, we're gonna go down this way. We're
We're gonna go down that way?
fight through a little bit of these.
Oh, a little bit of those.
Then you're gonna drop down about 50 feet.
Oh,
to get
50
your next
feet?
golden chest.
50 feet?
Oh,
Oh.
50 feet, yeah.
Oh. Oh.
The, oh, not that 50 feet.
Oh, jeez.
It's this 50 feet.
Oh, no. There's things here. Melee everything.
Alright, so, hey, you see right here to your right.
To my right. To my right.
Yeah,
Ow.
the bomb to the right.
Ow! Wait, I'm getting hurt. I'm getting the hooded.
Wait, I'm gonna go down there too, because I need to see it. It's safe down here. Don't miss.
Hello.
Join me. Hello.
I got it. Ow.
Okay, this is not safe. There's a wizard up there.
Ow!
Oh, no. Hey, where'd you come from?
How do I get up? Where's the next one? Oh, I can't see anything. Ah. I was on my way to 9,000 XP. Now I'm not. Oh, please don't kill me.
No. Okay, made it.
Oh, jeez.
I'm dead.
Oh. Oh, I died.
Alright.
Very nice.
Very, very nice. Oh. Get out of here. Ooh, okay.
Oh, you're a bad kid.
You're bad, kid.
So bad, kid. I'm not doing anything.
Hey, that.
I'm doing no damage.
Dang.
Can I reach it? I'm doing significant more. I will use it. Oh! Oh, that's anticlimactic. Yeah!
Getting knocked around.
Hello?
School over again. What?
What? Like high school all over again. You're still in high school. I know!
Oh my.
Melee! Melee! I killed him. Was I not supposed to kill him?
I was gonna play with him for a bit.
Hive
Oh.
feeder. Just like the
Don't
ones
play with your
invading
food.
Earth.
Make him question his
If we
meaning
don't finish
for
this,
life.
there'll be
Hive
more of these
seeders.
sitting home.
Are they gonna plant their seed into the earth?
They're gonna feed us?
Oh! 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 Stop taking my kills!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I didn't mean to do it. I'm so sorry.
What does it mean? I don't know.
The Yogi.
Hey, boo-boo.
Hey, boo boo. Is there anything in here?
Go. Here we
The
go.
world's
Look at the
great.
ship spawning inside of the enclosed space.
God damn it. That's so bad.
Throwing a grenade and I'm hopping down there.
I hope you die. I mean, good luck.
So my grenade missed completely. It did anything.
I did everything.
Let me get this wizard right.
Oh, damn.
Never mind, yes. Poison. Ah.
No, now you have poison. Get it? Because you have poison? Alright.
Oh.
You know what? So's yours. Your mom is my mom. What?
Oh, I'm dead.
Yep. Oh!
Guardian down.
What's the difference between you and me? My life. Oh! Oh!
You just got like pickles right there.
I got wrecked from both sides.
Yeah. That's called a dual wreckage right there.
Total wreckage. Too much wreck. Not enough.
The game's gonna crash. Like, tell that much wreck at one time.
It can't handle the wreck.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, so much wreck.
Oh! Freaking wizard!
The wizard!
Ah, I'm dead.
You just killed it like it was nothing.
Oh.
You just killed it like Sunday's dinner.
Sunday's dinner?
Yeah, Sunday's dinner.
Awesome Sunday.
What?
What?
You had possum on Sunday? Is that what you said?
No, dude, he made a bit awesome. I couldn't walk him.
Oh!
Oh my.
I got walled.
Pretty dangerous with there.
I got walled.
Oh my. Did get walled.
So?
Well, they're coming my way.
What you doing?
They're coming my way. Watch, wait, I'm gonna troll them. I'm gonna troll them, but don't. Yeah.
God damn it.
Yeah, I have to go around.
It's so bad.
Oh, that's so good. Look at them, they're like, what the hell, dude?
How come we can't double jump? Oh man.
Do this. They have to come over here.
Oh god. This guy's trying to ambush us? Hello? No.
Ambush the ambushers.
I'm just trying to function. I'm just trying to function.
Function is the function.
Conjunction, junction, function, what's your number? That food? Oh, I died.
Junction, what's your function? I think that's how it goes.
The question is, how do you go? Oh, am I alive? Oops, you should have told me.
I do.
I was looking for my... It's okay. Oh. Ow!
Oh, we're getting no scope, kid. 360 ammo, deep for scope?
Quack scope.
Oh, you actually hit him. That's a little hit marker. Oh, not ammo.
Is he dead?
Got wrecked.
Triple wreckage? Triple wreckage. Triple
Well,
wreckage.
crash the game right there, man. That door doesn't open. Okay.
Good to know. Good to know.
Yeah.
Big
door.
The darkest of all the hive's chambers.
We're going into their...
What's just through the stairs?
We're going into their dark chambers.
Okay. I was marveling at how the door. I was marveling at how the door was going through the stairs when I got wrecked.
Were you marveling at it or were you complaining about it?
A bit of both.
God damn it. I don't want this.
There's still shooting at his body, so. We're double tapping right now.
Double tap?
Oh, it's running behind them! Oh, no!
Ah!
Oh, God. Alright, ball's blazing.
Guardian down.
Apparently, there's a guardian now. Oh, Titan Tower! Did nothing. Oh, I killed one! I killed one! I killed one! Help! I died though. I died though.
I'll get the other one.
No, you're gonna die! God damn! Why? Oh my god.
The darkest of all the hive's
Alright,
chambers.
not Marvel at the door.
Hey dude, look at the door. It's going through the stairs. It's so disgusting.
Hey dude, look at that. It's going through the stairs.
Ew. What the hell? Okay, I'm gonna run away now. Let's run away.
Oh, they weren't even paying attention this time.
Oh wow. They're like, oh yeah, look at our stairs, dude.
Oh,
Wow.
worshiping the rock over there.
Oh. I wish I could worship a rock.
Oh my god. My audio is lagging. Oh my god.
Oh.
It's better. Oh, it's not better. Everything is just my audio starts lagging. It's so loud.
Maybe it's a you problem.
Guardian down.
Oh! What is happening?
Oh, I got one! He's alive. He's alive. Stay alive.
Okay.
Stay alive. Run! Run. Oh, never mind. No, run!